Hello students, welcome back to KV Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramesh Maurya, your chemistry teacher. We have already discussed about molecular mass, formula unit mass and gram molecular mass. But once again I would like to repeat, and after that I will tell you how to calculate the molecular mass, formula unit mass and gram molecular mass. First of all, molecular mass. So, the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule is called the molecular mass. And formula unit mass, the sum of the atomic masses of all atoms present in the formula unit of a compound is called the formula unit mass. And gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass is just same as the molecular mass. The difference is only that gram molecular mass is represented in gram while molecular mass is represented in unit. So now we will discuss how to calculate the molecular mass, formula unit mass and gram molecular mass. First of all, I will tell you to calculate the molecular mass. So for example, calculate the molecular mass of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, as you know, NaHCO3. This is sodium bicarbonate. So, as you can see here, in sodium bicarbonate, sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen atoms are present in that. So, we will calculate the molecular mass of sodium bicarbonate. Atomic mass of sodium, it is 23. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass of carbon 12 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. All are in units, so it is unit. Now I told you that molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms. So molecular mass of NaHCO3 is equal to, here you can see there is one atom of sodium, so it will be 1 into 23. Now plus hydrogen, it is also 1, so 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 unit, plus carbon is also 1, so 1, and atomic mass of carbon is 12, so it is 12. And after that, here it is 3 oxygen. So you put the number 3 into atomic mass of oxygen 16. Now this total will be the molecular mass of sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. So it will be 23 plus 1 plus 12 and plus 16 3 ja 48. Now add all these to get the molecular mass of sodium bicarbonate. So 21 and 23 and 1 24 and 12 36 and this one 48. So it will be 84 unit. So this is the molecular mass of sodium bicarbonate. If we talk about gram molecular mass, so here I told you that it is equal to the molecular mass. So gram molecular mass of NaHCO3 will be equal to the 84 gram. Just the difference is in unit, because molecular mass is represented in unit while gram molecular mass is represented in gram. And after this I will tell you formula unit mass. So now calculate the formula unit mass of, suppose anyone, let it be sodium chloride NaCl. So the calculation of formula unit mass is also same as molecular mass. So here, as you know, Na23 and Cl, chlorine, it is 35.5. So formula unit mass. Here you can see that sodium is one atom and chlorine is also one atom. So sodium 1 into 23 plus 1 into 35.5. It will be 23 plus 35.5. So this will be 58.5 unit. So this is the formula unit mass of the sodium chloride. So for calculating anything of molecular mass or formula unit mass, just you will have to find the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in the molecule or in the formula unit. This way you can calculate the molecular mass and formula unit mass of the given molecule or the formula unit of any compound. That's all. Thank you.